हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम टू इनामदा मल्टी स्पेशलिटी हॉस्पिटल। मैं शहनाज शेख, क्लिनिकल न्यूट्रिशनिस्ट एंड रजिस्टर्ड डाइटिशियन, और आज मेरे साथ है डॉक्टर दीपक कोलेकर। डॉक्टर दीपक इज अ आयुर्वेदिक practitioner since last 7 to 8 years and he is working in a hospital setup since last 10 years. Friends, now we are in this COVID-19 pandemic. Each one of us want to be safe from coronavirus and want to boost our immunity. So we are consuming kadha or the homemade remedy. Today we are going to discuss some important myths and facts with Dr. Kolekar. Welcome Dr. Kolekar.
Thank you so much.
Yeah. Friends, so Dr. Deepak Kolekar, we want to know that कि आजकल मेरे पास जितने भी पेशेंट्स आ रहे हैं सर, they are having same question to me कि काढ़ा कैसे बनाते हैं, what are the ingredients in it which they have to use and how much quantity they have to consume. So my first question to you is that what is the meaning of काढ़ा?
अच्छा, काढ़ा, I will be precise about this. काढ़ा क्या रहता है? जो भी अपने हर्ब्स रहते हैं पानी में उबालो और उसका एक्सट्रैक्ट पानी में आएगा और वो जो पानी हम कंज्यूम करेंगे वो काढ़ा रहेगा. So it's a water decoction process. Some amount of water is reduced to 1/3.
Okay.
Along with the herbs, and
Okay.
that water is consumed as a काढ़ा.
Okay, okay. सर, पर मेरे पास कुछ ऐसे पेशेंट्स भी आ रहे हैं, they are complaining that due to consumption of this काढ़ा they are suffering from that mouth ulcers and
Yes.
that stomatitis and
Yes.
hyperacidity is there. So we want to know, does it boost the immunity or having any side effects are there?
अच्छा देखो, कौन सा भी दवा ले लो आप, दवा लिया बराबर मात्रा में लिया, बराबर क्वांटिटी में लिया, तो आपको वो यूजफुल ही रहेगा.
ओके ओके.
तो काढ़ा के भी वैसे ही है. काढ़ा लेना है तो आपको बराबर प्रॉपर वे कैसे लेना है, कितना लेना है, ये एज के लिए कितना लेना है, ये आपको बराबर पता रहेगा. दैट कैन एक्ट एज इम्यूनिटी बूस्टर.
ओके ओके. So mostly the kadha or the homemade remedies prepared with the herbs and the spices.
Yes, yes.
And they are having the properties like anti-inflammatory, antiviral and antibacterial.
Yes.
But still we want to know, does it means helpful to diabetics or any persons who are suffering from hypertension or any metabolic disorders?
Yes, it is useful to everyone. As I said, that if it is taken in a proper way, with proper quantity, then it is effective. Effective as a remedy also and immunity booster.
Okay, okay. So any means your recommendation regarding the quantity and the frequency of that consumption of this home remedy?
Home remedy, it's that you can have a 100 ml in
Okay.
a divided time.
Okay.
Means once in a morning and once in a night.
Okay.
In divided, means 50 ml, like a cup of a tea.
Okay, okay, good.
And
good.
that has to be taken with a lukewarm water, or you can say that you should not heat it like a tea and
Okay.
then consume it.
Okay.
Otherwise it can cause a problem, what you said, like it
Yeah.
can cause a mouth ulcer, it can cause sore throat.
Yeah, yeah.
It can also cause digestive problem, is there will be ulcers in your stomach. It can also cause a piles also. Piles
Okay,
problem.
right, right.
So you need to be a little cautious while
Okay.
taking the kadha.
So it requires any medical supervision?
Not really for home remedies like tulsi, turmeric.
Okay.
Then you can say cardamom. These are commonly available spices at our home. Tulsi and haldi are good antiviral and antibacterial
Yeah,
action.
right, right.
So that will be helpful in considering this pandemic. But it's not like that kadha is going to just
Help
useful
boost,
in.
yeah.
Means what it will be doing? It will boost the immunity. कैसा boost करेगा? आप ले लोगे, अगर बराबर मात्रा में ले लोगे तो वो एसिड या एंजाइम्स अपने स्टमक में सिक्रेट करेगा और उसके बाद आपका बेसिक मेटाबॉलिक रेट बढ़ा जाएगा. फिर आपका डाइजेशन विल बी इन अ प्रॉपर वे.
Okay.
तो जो आप खाना अच्छे से खाना अगर ले रहे हो, अच्छे से खाना मींस क्या, बैलेंस डाइट, दैट मस्ट बी योर अवेयर ऑफ. मेरे से अच्छा आप बोल सकते हो.
जी, जी.
तो वो लिया तो उसके वजह से we can boost our immunity.
So conclusion is that कि only the kadha doesn't help to boost your immunity. With that you have to take a balanced diet which is having rich in all the nutrients, जैसे कि quality of protein, good quality protein, vitamin C, vitamin D, zinc, selenium, all are the nutrients which require to boost our immunity, and proper hydration is there, and also we have to do some physical activity on daily basis, right, for the immunity boosting. Not only we have not to stick only to the kadha.
Yes.
And one more thing I want to tell you that in this COVID-19 pandemic, we are in a unlock phase. So there are more chances of getting the infection, corona infection. So the markets खुल गए हैं, then offices खुल गए हैं. We are going outside. कोरोना तो चल के हमारे पास नहीं आ रहा है. Being a responsible citizen, if you want to stay healthy, happy and productive, please follow the guidelines, hand hygiene, social distancing, wear a mask. Thank you so much, Dr. Deepak, for sharing such a wonderful and informative and authentic information with us. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Thank you so
Stay
much.
safe, stay healthy. Thank you.